Our team at Style to Design is incredibly excited to offer you all sorts of new things this week. First of all, our membership options are changing. We're now going to have a $19.99 launch version and a $49.99 Elevate version. The $19.99 version is going to be like a trial of our platform. So you're going to have limited access to design boards, a few marketing templates, and a light business accelerator program that is going to be in our Style to Design Academy. So you're going to get light coaching, a light marketing support, and limited design boards for ordering. But it's a great place to start if you're trying to figure out if Style to Design is right for you. On the flip side, we're going to have our Elevate membership, which is our $49.99 membership, and it includes so much more. We're going to have unlimited access to our new design studio and ordering process. Also, a robust business accelerator program that we're going to offer through our new Style to Design Academy, which is coaching by Heather, taking you through all the best practices and ways to implement Style to Design into your business. We're also offering 30 days of social media content and over 50 pieces of new customizable marketing templates. You will not want to miss that. Lastly, as an Elevate member, you will also have the ability to add on a white label page, which is a brand new look and feel that has a lead generation funnel on the front side with a homeowner's guide that is a free download for anyone interested in putting their information into the lead form. So it's going to be a great lead gen piece. It's also a beautiful design that will be great for when you have a buyer and seller consultations. So if you're interested in that, please click below to learn more. Lastly, as an Elevate member, you are now going to be able to register to become an affiliate. So you can earn when you share Style to Design with your community. So much good stuff coming out. We hope that you will check out all the amazing new features. We're also going to have a few Zoom meetings listed below, and we are going to be revolutionizing real estate by design together. I hope you're ready for all the exciting updates.